Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 28th of July 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the upcoming expiry on the 2nd of August. Now, so the CE decreased and the PE also decreased. The max OI level, that's negative. Quantity is higher for CE, that's negative. The change is higher for CE, that's also negative. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is below 1, that's negative. Implied volatility is lower. Historical volatility is higher, that's a positive and a negative respectively. RSI is lower, that's negative. RSI divergence is not there, that's positive. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is higher, that's negative. Both EMAs are higher, that's positive. VWAP is lower, that's negative. Pivot point and candlestick is bearish, those are two negatives. Support is at 200. Previous week's support was 240. Resistance is 235. Previous week's resistance was 260. And the prediction this week by the option chain is that Tesla goes down. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.